Ever wish you could enjoy the best of both worlds, spaghetti and pizza, in one incredible dish? Well, let's make it happen in 30 minutes. Hello, I'm Farhad, focused on helping you prepare quick, healthy meals with ease, from affordable recipes for seniors and quick fix meals for singles to weight loss option. My channel has something for everyone. Plus, tons of tips and tricks to make cooking a breeze. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions. I'm using gluten-free spaghetti. So after taking care of the pasta, we're going to put it in a bowl like this. I have about 1 pound here, and then this should serve approximately 4 to 6 people after we add all the ingredients. I'm going to add 2 jars of pizza sauce. Each are 14 ounces, total of 28 ounces. Of course, you can adjust the amount if you wish and mix them well. These pizza sauces that I'm using are low in sugar and sodium. Then I'm going to add 4 cloves of chopped garlic, and then half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and this is optional, some red pepper flakes, and then some chopped fresh basil, and half a cup of grated parmesan cheese. So we're gonna get a baking dish 9 by 13, just like this. Spray the dish with some olive oil to prevent the food from sticking to the pan. So then we are going to transfer the pasta into the baking dish, spread it out, and make sure it's even. Some salt and pepper. So now we're going to put some cheese. I got mix of shredded mozzarella and cheddar. I'm just going to go a little light because we're going to do another layer once we put the other ingredients. Okay, we're going to stop here. So I'm going to start with some sun-dried tomato. I don't know about you, but I love sun-dried tomato, especially on pizza or pasta. And then I'm going to add some roasted red peppers. You can choose the amount of toppings that you like. There isn't an exact measurements amount for toppings. There we go. And then I'm going to add some artichoke hearts. I'm going to spread them evenly the best we can. And then some black olives. And then we want to press them down gently. And then I'm going to add more cheese. And then I have some turkey pepperonis. These are low sodium, low fat turkey pepperonis, which I highly recommend to use. And then I'm going to put some more cheese on top of the pepperonis. And the oven should be ready. So we're going to pop this in the oven, 400 degrees, 15 minutes. We're going to put an aluminum foil on it. And then after 15 minutes, we're going to take the foil off and just let it sit in the oven for another 10 minutes or so. So I'm going to cover it with the foil. So it's going in the oven. While we are waiting for the pasta pizza to be done, if you're enjoying this recipe, please take a moment to like, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your support. Okay, let's get back to the dish. And voila, looks delicious. So we're gonna let this sit for about 5-10 minutes before serving it. And as I mentioned, this dish is very versatile, so you can adjust the ingredients, the amount of ingredients as you like, or you can add other ingredients to it, like fresh vegetables, for instance, mushrooms, onions, bell peppers, and so on. And but keep in mind those vegetables needs to be sautéed halfway before you add it to the mixture. Bon appetit! You can cut them like lasagna. So the total time for this dish was just under 30 minutes. Keep in mind, oven temperatures can vary. I used a convection oven, and that can affect cooking times versus conventional oven. Thanks so much for joining me today. This dish is a personal favorite, crafted to capture the vibrant flavors, incredible taste, and health benefits that we can all enjoy in no time. I'll include the ingredients and my go-to products that I use in this recipe in the description below. So feel free to check them out if you're interested. And I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.